Man, cold as a bitch in this motherfucker. You know I missed to put that shit out.
On the sausage and cheese, you want yolk or not?
I want scrambled eggs. I don't want fried eggs.
Oh, I'm saying like, do you want yolk with it? Like, do you want egg white or you want whole egg?
On yellow eggs.
Okay, you want whole egg.
I want my egg whites like that. Yep, just like that. Yes, sir.
Do you need any condiments? Is it all for you, or is it just... No, it's just not. Just that and the sausage and cheese.
I had some bacon too.
So bacon right there on the side, yeah. Okay, I'm running this through right now.
You can pay me that bacon.
The Texas cheesesteak on two, smothered in pepper. Just no bacon. Is that the one for here or for to go? You need that now? I mean, this is a grilled cheese. I don't feel like you need it now. No, okay. Let's go with my next visit.
When you in that movie, man, you did that. I still ain't seen everyone. Look, that was the big bad fucked up dog. Man, I seen it live. You know, I have seen, man. My imagination was all crazy. I would see what other people want to see. I seen it, bro. I seen it.
So, two chicken, one chicken roll, one cheese chicken, one chicken salad, and bacon. These are all chicken.
Did you wrong? You did me wrong. I take you back. You take me back. Why if don't nobody never be in here? Why y'all don't answer the phone?
Where my grilled cheese sandwich at?
Oh, okay. Cause I'm like, damn, I'm starting to think y'all got a rule, don't answer. Y'all answer it like, bro, we said that, I'm like, damn, then I pull up, ain't nobody here, I be hurt. Like, they done, cause I be want all they, when I get here, it already be ready.
You know he's not supposed to come in today, right? They called him in. The old dude didn't come in. He came in on his birthday.
Really? Oh, man.
Today your birthday, bro?
Yeah, he's 20 years old.
You made 20?
I'm 20 now.
Well, you made the right person come here, I'm gonna tip you. I always tip the cook, huh?
Yeah, he always do.
I always tip the cook.
Always. That's my brother. 20. I just been 20. I think 20 now. Yeah.
Did you get bacon?
All the steak, no. Just the one on the side.
The grilled cheese. Chicken for? Huh? What's the chicken for?
So you got the chicken bacon, egg and cheese, hash brown bowl, the chicken melt hash brown bowl. Yeah, chicken melt hash brown bowl, chicken bacon, egg and cheese hash brown bowl. Only because 2 chickens up.
Is this one gets egg?
Yeah, that's the chicken bacon, egg and cheese, right?
You know that's God, bro. You wasn't supposed to work today, and God knew I was gonna come here, and He put you in here to give you a tip. That's how He make people bless people.
I guess that's wrong.
It ain't no guess. You gotta believe. If you don't have faith, you ain't gonna be shit.
We was raised in faith, though.
You gotta be raised on faith. That's why shit ain't happen on mistake. You wasn't supposed to work here. They call you to work here and Boosie here on your birthday,
We was gonna lock the doors.
and you don't believe.
He was gonna go home. You was gonna leave at 2 o'clock.
People don't believe living in God. It ain't happen on no coincidence.
And you said, you know what? That gets egg. Some days.
Yeah, that's the bacon, right? Yeah.
Let me get the bacon.
But you know, Michael Dog is his one. Michael Dog is his one. No, it's all got stolen. Sorry?
Ooh, that's 30. You gotta pay that 30. You gotta pay that 33. How much is it? Okay, this not let me hear it.
I will be 33 for some reason.
You got a 33?
No, I'm saying I hit the beat, 33, everything.
33 on the dot.
Do your shit, 33. Man, that's God tonight, bro. Y'all don't feel God. God put me in here. Did that's 33 and his total was 33. Bro, y'all don't feel, bro.
Angel shit going on.
Numbers like that.
Yeah.
Numbers don't lie.
They were his phone.
330.
Ooh. That's up. Wake up, sis.
I need my ticket.
Okay.
Hey, go get that sauce that lady gave me at that place. Is in that car?
What she gave you?
She gave me some sauce she made.
It's in a bottle?
Yeah, go get it. I want to try it. They say Jesus was 33 when he got crucified.
Ooh, how old he was?
33.
33.
Is that true?
33. He heard what he said.
I ain't never heard of
I
that.
heard that either.
Got everything 33, man.
Oh, yeah.
They say
This is my last week.
Open it up.
They say Jesus was 33. I ain't know that.
Yeah.
And I know Jesus was 33.
Nip was 33. Jesus was 33. They
Real
died on
shit?
the same day. Yeah. Oh, God.
Man, real shit.
Real shit, nigga. I ain't coming live on no
Man,
shit like
real shit.
that.
I ain't know that, dog.
Yeah.
I ain't know Jesus' age. Why they ain't teach me that in Bible study? I must have missed that.
It's that.
I know you should do it.
I need to drop that waffle.
Man, I didn't know Jesus was 33.
This is from last week. Oh, you're 2 weeks today? Yeah, this is from last week.
How about it? Huh, bro? Hey, bro.
Thank you. You're a good man.
Oh, this for you, baby. That's for the chicken.
You have a great night.
All right.
Get your onion body head.
What I do?
Oh, my yeah.
Let me hit it.
I know.
Oh, hell yeah.
I got you, my man.
Appreciate it,
Are you a
bro.
rapper or something?
I'm a filmmaker.
Filmmaker, really?
Yep.
Keep doing what you're doing, man.
All right, thank you.
Have a great night.
All right. Hey, what man, y'all don't see my head, bro? Ain't this the car I was in?
Yeah.
Right here. Wake up, shake back, man. Man, them niggas talk to me all night, huh?
Oh, no.
God damn. How y'all think the interview gonna come up?
That shit went good as fuck.
That shit hard?
That shit super hard. Shit, you up so much. Good shit. That they wasn't lying. You got the most voice interview on this shit. You did your shit, girl.
Right now. Ain't this bitch? You got that dog. Boy, Escalade. Gotta watch out for them deals, bro. Them fucking deals. I hit a baby deal the other day. I'm talking about flop that bitch. A baby deal. That bitch ran. I hit it, but it ran. It got up and limped off. They ain't kill that bitch. It might have died when it got in wood. Angel and Layla was behind me. Daddy, you hit a deal. I saw that, bro. I couldn't do shit. I just took my hand off the wheel. It was a baby. I just took my hand off the wheel. That bitch said, that's why my leg fucked up at the bottom right there. You see that little piece gone? You gotta look. They got a piece gone at the bottom of my shit. I hit a little Bambi. Fucking deal bad. I'm chill. Tired as a bitch, boy. I got a tight one here. Ooh. You gotta know how to drive that bitch. Real shit. They gonna have to put.
Daddy got a piece of sausage in there.
Boy, I was finna tell you, boy. I don't feel like cracking no jokes. I don't. That's why I say I ain't say nothing. I ain't got no sauce on no plate. I ain't got nothing. I got.
You got some food.
I got. Bring that pie in there. I want a piece right now. I ain't getting nothing to that. I ain't know you wanted something to eat. I forgot to give my baby boy something to eat.
Bust over them old ass weight.
Man.
I feel bad.
Damn, bro.
Look at he eat that KFC. Hey man, get this dog, bro.
Hey, boy. Daddy home. Come here. Come here, boys. Daddy home. You want some snacks? You want some snacks? Come on. Daddy home. You want some snacks? Garfield. Come here, Garfield. Come here, Garfield. Zilla. Sit. Sit your ass down. Sit.
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 Working. He on your ass.
Good boy. I'm finna go get you some snacks. I'm finna go get you some snacks right now.
It's all right, girl.
Zilla.
Don't worry about it, please. I got two for you, man. Move.
They finna go outside.
Yeah, damn. Them dollar and
Get your head. Now you doing too much.
They finna go outside.
Them dollar and Philip, man.
Zilla.
Move. Move.
He was smart as all this.
Zilla. I ain't got nothing. Zilla.
You got shit all over your face.
That looks great with all of this.
Move. You biting on my hand.
Yeah, he's bad as hell.
Move.
People on there like, I don't get what I eat.
That's it. I don't got to. I see.
Yes, sir. Scoop. Come here, Scoop. Ain't got nothing done down.
How you know he's sick?
We took him to the vet today, bro.
What they say?
He got pneumonia. She got pneumonia, and he got respiratory and had some worms. We got him right. I saw in his eyes how he was looking.
Stinky. I didn't know he had worms. How you know? It ain't come out in there. Look, your stomach fat like you got worms. Ooh, you about to go.
I gotta take my medicine. I want me a piece of pie now. Man, I got the munch. Like, waiting too late to eat, bro. Get some eggs in them bitches. Some of them bitches don't be strong like the others.
You gotta
Fuck out of me. Oh yeah, he real. Don't do that. That nigga goddamn just big though. Great.
You on with too, aren't you?
Yeah. Make some risk. Yeah, that nigga ain't bullshit.
I thought you was gonna make them sliders, man. He gonna do this. Should have made you some waffles or something. Your shit ain't look right, bro. That's why I ain't gonna. Y'all said that too. This shit is nasty. Your shit, you ain't put the honey right. You ain't put the syrup. Hold up for slice of pie, dog.
Why didn't you tell me the cheesecake pie?
I told you. Where my other pies is? Upstairs?
Why your ass? Move!
Hey, where my other pies is? Oh, they in there. Who this cake for? I'm like a soccer to me cake. What's stacking? Didn't check and see if I got some weed now.
What is it, Chanel? What's she talking at?
Come in slide, no? Them dogs don't supposed to be around none of them other. School cannot be around no dogs. School and Chanel. Lady, let me hit it on. She can give all them other dogs. They can't be around no dogs. She say put them upstairs by themselves. Say they can't be around. She say they can't be around no dog. She said just like Corona, they can pass it by being around them dogs.
So she could be
Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes.
All right, I'm putting him in the room. He can't get next to Chanel.
Did they give him the medicine?
Woo.
Yeah, man. They on here say dogs can die from pneumonia.
I didn't even know dogs were vegetable.
Yeah, Chanel, that
They
nigga.
can catch it.
I didn't know they could catch that. Definitely got to
Yeah.
use school.
You probably got to just going outside.
But I thought
Probably
you
eat
were
shit.
saying it was
off the
kennel.
floor.
It was kennel causing.
Eat shit off the floor and shit.
They said,
You know, crush too. And all that. Shell shock me, nigga. Make me go Cali on y'all. I'm shell shock, nigga.
Oh, you gonna straight Kelly like that?
Yeah, man, I got, bro. I'm a real actor, bro. Y'all don't understand that. I can play 85 different characters. Real shit.
How many,
It's real bourbon.
how many,
Man, brother, they make their own shit from New Orleans. She gave me that. I just ate it with that steak. Lady from New Orleans just gave me that. She said they got a restaurant out here.
Yeah, they got a food truck.
Yeah, food truck.
Okay.
Downtown. Said, come check our food truck out. We from New
We gotta
Orleans.
go fuck with them, man. They got
She said, I come to that.
jambalaya egg rolls.
They say they shit hit.
They got jambalaya egg rolls. No doubt.
She say they shit hit.
I gotta try them. bitches.
3, 5, 5.
I gotta go to a food truck, fuck with her game. She say she be right downtown. Like, she say she...
Yeah, they be good. Somewhere on Marietta and shit. I've been trying to get
bet the she ain't fuck with dude. Ooh,
new
dang.
dreads.
Dude, got the smoke. Man, I left 2 blunts in that motherfucker. A half, huh?
In the truck.
Shit, no.
85 South.
In the 85
Cause
South.
Stacks came bought all 3 of them bitches.
I left.
Somebody gonna smoke them motherfuckers in the truck.
You see Felix?
I'm finna make a Thundercat.
It's already 4. I need to get something to stay up, so I gotta take these kids to school.
I'm glad mine ain't working.
Rambo.
I get to sleep.
Biggest one. Rambo.
I be able to get up every morning, take later.
He got
But I get a good sleep when I get back, though. See, when I get back about 6:30,
knock back
man,
down
I
to
go
like
10, 11.
Yeah.
Good 4, 5 hours.
Time.
And I'm talking about you go straight down. It ain't no, I'm talking about it's just like a,
Yeah, you do, cause you be down there down driving. You be sleepwalking, talking to teachers and shit. They'll not ask you no shit. You gotta put your face on. Try it again.
Hey.
chill out.
Come on, roll it out.
Yeah, that dollar, they ain't fucking with you now. They ain't fucking with you now. They used to bully you.
You was a Dundada. Lady love that song. You like your father, but harder you.
I know.
That's her favorite song, Dundada. Tell me you love me and liar, liar.
Liar. Man, this nigga gotta start. This nigga gotta start walking. He don't know. He can't never walk. That nigga be gone with this shit.
Boosie Badge, November 18, 1920. I've been looking for this belt too, boy.
Man, I forgot to post my pictures on the ground. Yeah. Who phone took them pictures?
Kick out my shoe. Tired, man.